So this is Oval Park after the whole snowstorm. This is cray cray. Some little kids already got here already, but like the staircases over here to get down. Let me see. Jeez Louise. Look at all that snow. Ugh. Oh my God. Yeah. Let's look at this. It's like a white Christmas. Look at all that snow. Woo.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Mike for Rules here. This is amazing. But I just want to make another video, a small little video for you guys, so I can, actually make a video and post it and keep you guys a little bit more happier while I'm not making videos. But anyhow, I'll give you the more details in the video, so see you when you get back. Well, it's time for another one of these videos again, because this is like practically the only amount of time I have for making videos right now. So I'll explain as we get into the video. So entrances are to Main Street. I always do this whenever I come here. Okay, is this gonna be able to do this? 1, 2, 3, Well, and we're back to the legendary park of Narnia. Oh man, look at all this snow. What in the bloody love? My hands are freezing. But I kind of felt like I wanted to make this video because, oh my God, man, it's blowing like a mother lover. You can't even see the freaking. Well, you kind of can. Maybe because people already came. Should have came here earlier. But you can still see the snow. The reason being that I'm making this video right now is because I barely had any time to make videos the past 2 months because my mom was all over my back studying for these things we call the SATs. Now, we had this snowstorm, but our mayor, the blah blah, or whatever his name is, wants to make us go to school. And, and my mom was like, nah, you're not going to school. And I'm like, what? I woke up at like 8 o'clock today, and I'm like, how am I not going to school right now? Because my mom usually wakes me up to go. And I walk into the room, my sister's just laying in there like a douche. And she's like, oh, Ma says she's gonna go to work because my mom's a teacher. And we can stay home. I was like, yes! Time to make a video! But anyhow, I'm actually working the park, freezing my arms off. Who is that guy? Who's that guy over there? Come on, who are you? Who are you? Tell me your name. ASL. Well, people are obviously gonna play tennis today. And look at all that. Oh my god, I did not feel that. Look at that. Look at how steep it is. I mean, can I get a closer? Well, this is not good for my hands. But anywho. Oh my god! Why is it so zoomed in? We're gonna be right back so I can warm up my fingers. Well, my ears are going numb, and we're about to walk down. Wait, can you even see anything? Yes, you can. Alright. I'm walking in someone else's path. I know there's a song like that, I can't remember. But I can see them almost clearly. And I'm going to oh my god, where is this wind coming from? Hi, videos. Yeah. Okay, I think making a game video should have been better. But who cares? I'm already out here. This wind though. Oh, I'm stupid. Let's just walk across the field so I don't die. Oh my god! I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. And it's freaking awesome. And I'm making my own trail. Because I can. Because I can. Okay, alright, let's do this. Figure 8! Figure mother loving 8. Figure mother loving 8. Oh my god. This perfect circle right here. This perfect circle. Oh my god. I spit on my camera and it froze. Oh no! Well, that shows how much cold it is outside right now. And I'm about to fall. So I'm heading back inside. This is not coolio. See you guys later. Well, at least you could come here. Look how steep my foot is in here. Look, wait, can you guys see well? Alright, let's look at this. Look at that. My foot is all the way in there. If I can show you how steep this is. To be perfect, where is this wind coming from? Whenever I start recording, man. I'm trying to hold it with my other finger, but my god. I think it's like -15 right now, so I don't know why exactly I'm out here. But I'm stupid. And now. Ba ba da ba. Mana. Ba ba. Oh my god. Ooh. Kill him. Seat. Yeah. I wonder if this is gonna even work, but might as well. Yeah. I bet I look stupid holding a camera and going on a swing at the same exact time. Like, look at that. I'm trying to get some grip on the floor. And I'm not trying to freeze my fingers off. F this. Now I'm Audi 5000. Oh, it's Audi 300. Audi 5000? Audi 300. Let's just make a quick run around here. God dang! Look at that. all that snow right there. Whoa! 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 I'm not jumping. You guys would have thought. Oh God! All right, I'm running home. See ya. Did you really think I was going home? And I keep looking at my face and not into the camera, which looks really awkward, doesn't it? Well, I had to show you a run of this before I leave. And then, you know, I can not amputate my fingers. Alright. Oh my God! Can you even see the stairs? My goodness, man. God. I'm sliding. Oh, I have to mess up the snow at least. Can't make it. Can't make it. Might as well YOLO! Oh my God! Woo! Okay, I'm out. Alright. Just one quick look at the snow right here. Do you see it? Do you see how big it is? I'm about to knock it out. You ready? 1, 2. Yeah. I don't know if I caught that, but whew, this was a good sight to see. Now let's run out. I have to go to the hospital. Isn't New York fun? Stay out too long, you get your fingers cut off. Yeah. Nah, screw that place. I'm going down the entrance. No! Alright, I'll cut it out. Okay, deal. What in the bloody hell is all of this blue stuff? I know her. Actually, the school, the elementary school is like right there next to my house. So, anyways, what exactly is this blue stuff on the floor? I know it's salt, but that does not look appetizing at all. I mean, it looks like, my friend said, it looks like he stomped a Smurf. I'm done. Anywho, let's go on. You see? Now what? So basically, that security, that what's her name? The cross guard. She was actually, that's the same exact cross guard from when I was like 9, 10, walking me across the street to the school across from my house. It's the same exact lady, so that's why she knows me so well. Which is freaking awesome and awkward at the same exact time. Anyway, I already gave you the rundown. My mom, she was actually being nice today and let us stay home. So I was like, when I wake up, I'm gonna make this video. Cause it's been a year since I made the last one. And we really had a snowstorm. But man, the blah blah was like, no, you have to go to school today. So, nah. No. This is amazing. Oh, great. I'm sorry. Back to what I was saying. So, I just really felt like I wanted to make the video, and my hands are freaking numb. Yeah, numb is the right word, but they're coming back. I can still feel them. I'm alright. And I'm trying to see if I forgot anything to say to you guys. Oh, SATs on Saturday. I know what that means. On Saturday, and then on, I can start making videos, which is gonna be freaking hype because our mom's gonna be off my back for making videos, and that'll make me a happy camper. All right. I think that's it. Nothing else. Yeah, oh, if the vision looked blurry, it's probably because I didn't wipe the lens because the wind was blowing so hard. It probably like frosted the glass or something, I don't know. But it was really, I have to say, winter can suck balls, but it looked so beautiful outside. It was amazing. Like the snow was sprinkling off the tree stumps or tree branches, and it was slowly falling to the ground. It looked like a winter wonderland. So what are you gonna do? Alright, and I guess I'll end this right now. So if you like this video, like it. If you not like this video, still like the video. And viewers, please subscribe. Tell your friends, your sister, your brother, your mother, your grandma, your uncle, your aunt, your table, your computer, your laptop, your TV, your paper on your wall, your posters on your wall, your light bulb, your lamp, your other computer, I don't know, your printer, your own camcorder, anything. Please subscribe. It will help me out a lot. And I have to say, I'm thankful to have subscribers like you guys, because you guys understand I can't post and you guys haven't unsubscribed, which I expected because I haven't posted in a while. But you guys are really awesome. You guys still stuck with me. I'm not sure if that's the right word, but you stuck with me right out to the end, and I'm really thankful to have you guys watch my videos. So kudos to you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. Just keep on doing what you're doing, alright? Make it, as long as I can make you laugh, I'm doing my job, and I feel so happy. Alright, so we're gonna end this video in 3, 2, 1.